Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to find your city survey number online. First, understand that a city survey number is a unique identifier for a piece of land. To begin, navigate to your state's official land records or Revenue Department website. Once there, locate the specific portal or section dedicated to property or land information. This is your crucial first step to accessing the necessary details. Next, you'll need to navigate the online portal effectively. Typically, you will select your district, then your taluk, and finally your village from the available drop-down menus. After that, choose the appropriate search option, which is usually labeled Search by Survey Number or Property Details. Input any known information, like the owner's name or a property identification number, to narrow your search. Once you've entered your search criteria, the system will display the city survey number and other associated property details. It is very important to carefully review this information. Cross-reference these displayed details with any physical property documents you possess to ensure accuracy. Finally, you can often download or print a copy of the survey extract for your personal records, providing a digital or hard copy. To ensure a smooth process, here are some helpful tips. Always double-check that all the details you enter are accurate. Even a small error can prevent a successful search. If you cannot find the information online, do not hesitate to contact your local land records office for assistance. Remember to always use official government websites to guarantee the reliability and authenticity of the information you retrieve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.